After cold only we are going to see. No chili powder. No chili powder. See the rice length. Okay. My biryani is ready. Please, all of you come and have it. My biryani, palak, potato, chicken biryani, plain biryani, no chili powder. Okay, I'm going to make the palak, means coriander leaves, and potato and chicken all together made palak, potato, chicken biryani, less chili powder. Friends, look at here, this chicken biryani side. I added little turmeric powder and 2 or 3 teaspoons dhania powder homemade, cumin powder homemade, little amount of salt powder and homemade biryani masala and Kashmiri chili powder, not Makani chili powder, only half mixed together. Ginger garlic paste also, I'm already adding salt. So I mix them before marinade. See the ingredient is, this is palak, means coriander leaf all together I cut and keep it here. And onion 200 grams, tomato 100 grams, and potato 250 grams, and only 35 grams oil. After boil, I added chopped onion, pieces of potato. I'm going to fry, become brown color. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little pudina and coriander leaves. Still fry 80%. Okay. See here. I keep 1 hour in water, then I keep it filtered like that. Okay. My chicken is here. See, this is I soak in water in 1 hour. Okay. It's frying now. It is frying. This is added 150 gram cut piece of tomato. Still raw salt also. Then I'm going to add a make also. Here I add only 5 gram chili powder and small green chili too. That's enough. Other is coriander leaf powder 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder half teaspoon, or garam masala powder 2 teaspoons. See, I add here 2 dabba of rice. So I'm going to add all together 4 and half water. Okay. Here is no water. Then it will come out. I keep dry for fry for another 10 minutes. Okay. See, my chicken cooked 50%. This is not country chicken, broiler chicken. It should be cooked very soon. Then I'm going to add the rice. See, 4, there is no water, and the chicken gravy is no water, so I'm going to add the 4 dabba water. Then add little salt also. Okay. This all vegetable also. All mixed together. I keep high flame for 10 minutes. Any white sugar, I'm going to add a little jaggery powder. I'm using only jaggery powder. Give like that. Okay, like that. See, like that. Like that only you've done. Okay, and keep it. Now 5 minutes over. Another 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Hi friends, I again forgot. I'm going to add only little half teaspoon means 8 grams. After 5 minutes, you just open and just mix. Careful to mix with. Add this salt little more. See, water reduce half. Then I'm going to put there after 10 minutes, medium flame for 5 minutes. Medium flame for 5 minutes. See, now I'm going to add a little garam masala, not too much, little. See, little. Okay, this time also you can add the ghee. See, water will be finished, only 90% is cooked. Now I'm going to add the tawa. Okay, I make a roti tawa. I keep for one side. See, cover. First you keep high for 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds. I'm going to change it. See, like that will become very well. Then I'm going to keep it slow for 5 minutes. Okay. See, after cold only we are going to see. No chili powder. No chili powder. See the rice then. Okay. My biryani is ready. Please all of you come and have it. My biryani. Palak, potato, chicken biryani. Plain biryani. No chili powder. Okay. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Please. வணக்கம், நன்றி. தமிழ் மக்கள் எல்லாம் எங்கள் சேனல் பார்த்து சப்ஸ்கிரைப் மட்டும் கொடுத்தீங்க ப்ளீஸ். நமஸ்தே, ஓம் சாந்தி.